Today, we're diving into what could be the most exciting development in the drone world this year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From lightweight portability to cutting-edge features, this compact drone is shaping up to be a game-changer for content creators, travel enthusiasts, and professional drone pilots alike. Let's take a deep dive into everything we know so far: the leaks, rumors, expectations, camera specs, and potential launch timeline, and explore why the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the most powerful mini drone ever built. Over the past few years, the DJI Mini Series has become a household name in the drone community, consistently delivering high performance in a featherlight package. Whether you're a beginner pilot looking to dip your toes into drone flying or a seasoned videographer chasing the best aerial shots, the Mini lineup has always struck the perfect balance between accessibility and functionality. With the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro receiving high praise, the anticipation surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro is massive, and rightfully so. These drones remain under 249 grams, allowing users to bypass complicated regulations, especially in countries like the United States, where flying under the FAA radar is a significant advantage. You don't need to go through certification hoops or registration headaches, making it the go-to drone for spontaneous creators and globe-trotters. According to multiple industry insiders and well-known drone leakers, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to debut sometime in the summer of 2025, with many pointing toward a July release window. DJI's release cadence has been fairly predictable, and all signs indicate that the Mini 5 Pro is entering the final stages of development. If history repeats itself, we'll likely see teaser images, feature leaks, and early media coverage start popping up in late June, right in time for the big unveil. Yes, DJI plans to keep the Mini 5 Pro under 250 grams, continuing the tradition of ultra-portable drone innovation. However, this time, the company is pushing the limits of what such a lightweight drone can actually do. This sub-250 marvel is rumored to pack some of the most groundbreaking upgrades ever seen in the mini drone space. This means drone pilots can continue enjoying hassle-free flights across urban landscapes, national parks, and even in different countries where drone laws tend to be more restrictive for heavier models. One of the most talked about enhancements is the potential inclusion of a LiDAR sensor. This cutting-edge technology could revolutionize how the Mini 5 Pro navigates its environment. Earlier drone models already featured decent obstacle avoidance capabilities, but LiDAR opens the door to next-level object detection, better tracking, and ultra-precise mapping. Drone tipsters and leakers have already spotted what appears to be front-facing LiDAR sensors in prototype images, further validating the rumor mill. If true, this will make the Mini 5 Pro not just a compact drone, but a smart one too, capable of avoiding objects more intelligently and performing advanced subject tracking with minimal error. Another big change we're likely to see is in the Mini 5 Pro's chassis and build. Leaked CAD renders and speculative mock-ups show a sleeker, slightly wider airframe, likely to accommodate the new sensors, better heat dissipation, and enhanced flight stability. DJI is also said to be integrating precision landing sensors along with a built-in LED ground illumination system, which will improve low-light landings and give beginner pilots a huge confidence boost. This system will be incredibly useful in evening or early morning flights, especially in environments where visibility is limited. Expect better landing accuracy, more dependable return-to-home precision, and less worry about crash landings. Here's where things get very interesting. DJI may be introducing a 1-inch camera sensor on the Mini 5 Pro, a serious upgrade from the 1.3-inch sensor found on the Mini 4 Pro. This would put it in the same league as some of DJI's more premium drones like the Air series, giving creators better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and sharper images. Drone photography and videography are all about capturing moments in unpredictable lighting and dynamic environments. With a larger sensor, expect the Mini 5 Pro to deliver more cinematic results, whether you're shooting golden hour beach footage or snowy landscapes under a cloudy sky. A revolutionary new gimbal system is also being discussed, which might include 360-degree camera movement and vertical shooting support. DJI is clearly aiming this feature at social media creators who need ready-to-upload portrait shots for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Even more exciting is the upward tilting camera, a first for DJI's mini drones. Imagine flying underneath a bridge or architectural structure and capturing stunning upward-facing footage. This angle flexibility opens new creative doors for professional videographers and casual creators alike. Let's talk endurance. The rumored 50-minute maximum flight time is creating waves in the drone community. If this rumor proves accurate, it would represent a significant leap forward from previous mini models that hovered around the 30-40 minute range. DJI could be using a higher capacity intelligent battery, improved energy efficiency algorithms, and perhaps a more aerodynamic, designed to pull this off. Longer flight times mean fewer landings, more time to compose the perfect shot, and increased value for creators shooting complex sequences. Another upgrade likely to appear in the Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of the OQ Sync 4.0 transmission system. This advanced video transmission protocol could offer a 12 km plus range, 1080p live feed at 60 FPS, and reduced latency for smoother real-time monitoring. It's a huge win for FPV drone fans and those who like to fly in tricky terrains like forests or valleys. Expect sharper video transmission, better stability in windy conditions, and a truly immersive piloting experience when paired with DJI's new RC controllers. On the software side, DJI is planning to enhance its intelligent flight modes with AI-based object recognition, active track improvements, and smarter quick shots. These features allow the drone to autonomously execute complex flight paths while keeping subjects perfectly framed, an essential tool for solo content creators. Imagine launching your drone with a few taps and having it orbit around you as you walk, run, or bike. No remote control required. It's the ultimate set-and-forget tool for vlogs, cinematic adventures, or action-packed lifestyle content. One of the biggest questions on everyone's mind is pricing. Based on DJI's pricing history and current market analysis, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to start around $999 USD, which puts it right in line with the Mini 4 Pro. Given the upgrades we've discussed, LiDAR, 1-inch sensor, extended battery, life, and new gimbal design, that price point offers serious value for money. For under $1,000, you're potentially getting a feature set that rivals more expensive drones while maintaining the legal and practical advantages of a sub-250 DJI drone. This could easily become the most popular drone of 2025. Final thoughts. Should you wait or upgrade? If you already own a Mini 4 Pro, the decision to upgrade may come down to your needs. If you prioritize better obstacle avoidance, cinematic video options, low-light camera performance, and longer flights, then the DJI Mini 5 Pro is worth the wait. For those just entering the drone world or looking for the most travel-friendly drone with top-tier capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect starting point. A compact drone with professional-grade features designed to grow with your creative ambitions.